In a world where electrification is rapidly transforming personal transportation, Tesla is now shifting gears to tackle one of the most polluting segments of the transportation industry: freight. And with the 2026 Tesla Semi, Elon Musk has just dropped one of the most game-changing updates we've ever seen. A full-scale mass production rollout is finally happening this October, and the leaked details are absolutely wild. From groundbreaking design updates to jaw-dropping price changes, everything about this truck screams disruption. But this isn't just any ordinary commercial vehicle. We're talking about a machine that might single-handedly redefine the logistics industry. And it's not just hype. Tesla's latest Gigafactory blueprints and leaked drone footage confirm that the production lines are already being prepped at full speed. What does this mean for the freight world? And how will Tesla's secret design upgrades give it the edge over diesel and electric rivals? Let's rewind a bit. The Tesla Semi was first introduced to the world back in 2017, and while many critics said it would never reach mass production, Elon Musk always insisted the long-haul revolution was coming. And now, in 2026, it's finally here. Leaner, faster, cheaper, and more powerful than anything we've seen on the roads. The Semi is being built to do what no other electric truck has pulled off: 500 miles of range while fully loaded, and the ability to recharge 70% of its battery in just 30 minutes. The core of this beast is a tri-motor powertrain borrowed and optimized from the Plaid platform, giving it incredible acceleration, torque, and energy efficiency. Leaked images show Tesla is making a number of significant design changes. Aerodynamics have been fine-tuned even further to reduce drag. The cabin now includes updated UI and autonomous driving controls, and the overall weight of the vehicle has been reduced thanks to Tesla's new structural battery packs. These changes make the Semi not just more efficient, but cheaper to manufacture, which is critical if Tesla plans to deliver thousands of units per quarter. And speaking of numbers, here's where things get even crazier. The leaked internal price sheet suggests Tesla may be offering early fleet partners a version of the Semi for under $180,000. That might still sound high, but compared to traditional diesel trucks, which cost nearly the same and have much higher lifetime fuel and maintenance costs, it's a bargain. When companies factor in government subsidies and Tesla's lower cost per mile, this Semi becomes an investment with rapid ROI. But it's not just about economics. The 2026 Tesla Semi is designed to be a status symbol for sustainability. Picture this: a fleet of fully electric trucks hauling goods across states, charging at Tesla megachargers, all while emitting zero tailpipe emissions. Companies like Pepsi, Walmart, and FedEx are already lined up, with hundreds of pre-orders and confirmed delivery slots as early as 9/1 of next year. And here's what's most impressive. Sources close to Giga Nevada and Giga Texas confirm that production capacity has scaled massively in just the past 6 months. The Semi assembly line now uses a mix of next-gen robotics and AI-driven quality control systems, which allow Tesla to push out one fully built unit every 90 seconds during peak shifts. So what's driving this acceleration? It's Tesla's revamped production strategy, which we'll dive into in Part 2, along with details on battery breakthroughs, supply chain dominance, and what Elon Musk himself recently said in a private shareholder call about the Semi's potential to obliterate diesel freight. To truly understand why the 2026 Tesla Semi is different, we need to dig into what's happening behind closed doors at Tesla's Gigafactories. According to recent leaks, Tesla isn't just building a new electric truck. They're rewriting how commercial vehicles are manufactured altogether. So what's changed? First, let's talk about Tesla's casting innovation. Remember the Gigapress that revolutionized how the Model Y is produced? That same die casting technology has now been scaled and re-engineered specifically for the Semi. This means that what once took over 70 welded components to create can now be formed in just a few mega castings. Fewer parts, less labor, and way less room for error. This drastically cuts down production time and increases vehicle strength and integrity. Now combine that with Tesla's AI-driven automation software. Their updated Optimus AI, yes, the same software foundation powering the Tesla bot, has been deployed across assembly lines to manage and adjust build sequences in real time. That means if there's a supply hiccup or a defect detected in a component, the AI will auto-adjust the workflow on the fly, keeping production humming along with minimal disruption. Even more interesting is the use of modular battery installation lines. With the help of their 4680 battery cell format, Tesla can now install pre-assembled battery modules that are lighter, more energy-dense, and easier to swap or replace if needed. This cuts down on labor hours per unit, while also improving serviceability in the long run. And then there's the logistics advantage. Tesla is vertically integrated, meaning they build most of their components in-house. For the Semi, this is a game changer. Other manufacturers still rely on a web of external suppliers for motors, batteries, and software, which can introduce delays and inflate costs. Tesla, on the other hand, controls nearly every aspect of the Semi's design and production pipeline. This level of control also gives Tesla the ability to pivot quickly. This innovation not only lowered their material costs, but also improved overall range and thermal performance. But let's not forget the crown jewel, Tesla's megacharger network. This infrastructure is being deployed strategically across major freight routes. The megacharger can deliver up to 1 megawatt of power, allowing the Semi to charge from 10% to 70% in under 30 minutes. That's a game changer for logistics companies who need minimal downtime between hauls. Insider reports from Giga Nevada indicate that these megachargers are being produced alongside the Semi, and that select logistics hubs in California, Texas, and Nevada are already undergoing infrastructure upgrades. This coordination ensures that when mass deliveries start in October, early adopters will have a reliable charging network ready to go. Elon Musk himself recently commented that Tesla is pushing manufacturing to a level of simplicity and scale never seen in transportation. And he's not exaggerating. What Tesla is building is not just a vehicle, it's a vertically integrated intelligent logistics solution. And that solution might be coming faster than anyone expected. With production already in motion and orders stacking up, the 2026 Tesla Semi is about to explode into one of the most lucrative automotive sectors. Coming up in Part 3, we'll explore how this affects Tesla's stock, competitors like Freightliner and Volvo, and why Elon believes Tesla could become the largest logistics company on Earth without ever delivering a package themselves. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, because the Tesla Semi isn't just a cool new truck. It's a Trojan horse that could upend the entire freight and logistics industry. Globally, the freight industry is valued at over $9 trillion. And in North America alone, long-haul trucking represents a $790 billion market. That's massive, and yet it's a sector that's been lagging behind in innovation for decades. Trucks today are noisy, dirty, inefficient, and expensive to maintain. Enter the 2026 Tesla Semi. The truck's all-electric design isn't just about sustainability, it's about cold, hard economics. Tesla's own estimates suggest that each Semi could save operators over $200,000 in fuel costs over its first 3 years on the road. That's before factoring in reduced maintenance, thanks to the absence of transmissions, fuel systems, and hundreds of other moving parts that diesel rigs depend on. And the operational savings don't stop there. Because the Semi is built on Tesla's software-first architecture, fleet operators can track real-time data on everything from tire pressure to energy consumption, route optimization, and even driver behavior. This kind of insight allows for preventative maintenance and efficiency optimization on a level that diesel trucks simply can't match. Let's not forget, this isn't Tesla's first rodeo. They've already demonstrated the power of vertical integration and software-defined vehicles with the Model 3 and Model Y. The Semi takes those learnings and applies them to one of the most bloated, inefficient sectors in the world, freight. And here's where it gets really interesting. Tesla doesn't need to become a shipping company to dominate logistics. They just need to sell enough of these semis and provide the back-end tools to manage them, and suddenly they're powering the freight economy from the inside out. Picture this: thousands of Tesla semis crisscrossing the continent, running on clean electricity, tracked and optimized by Tesla's fleet software, recharged through the megacharger network, all feeding data back into Tesla's central AI system. This isn't science fiction, it's the strategy. Elon Musk recently hinted at something even bigger. During an internal all-hands meeting, he reportedly said, "If we can electrify 25% of US trucking in the next 5 years, we'll cut national emissions by nearly 10% and own a majority of the data moving across the highways." That's not just a bold claim, it's a wake-up call to legacy freight manufacturers. Companies like Freightliner, Peterbilt, and Volvo are scrambling to keep up. While they've announced electric concepts and pilot programs, none of them have Tesla's scale, battery technology, or vertical integration. And crucially, none have access to a megacharger-level charging solution. Meanwhile, Tesla is already scaling production. Rumors suggest that Giga Nevada is on track to deliver 30,000 semis annually by 2027, with plans to ramp up even further depending on demand. Investors are taking notice. Morgan Stanley analysts recently upgraded Tesla's stock forecast based on the semi's potential to become a cornerstone product in Tesla's long-term commercial strategy. Some even believe that Tesla's logistics data network could become as valuable as its energy or automotive arms. All of this points to one thing: the Semi isn't a side project. It's a strategic move to disrupt and dominate an entire industry. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the 2026 Tesla Semi not just functional, but futuristic. Elon Musk didn't just want to create an electric truck, he wanted to reimagine what a truck could be. And with the new design updates, Tesla has done exactly that. First, let's talk about the driver's cabin, or what truckers are now calling the cockpit. Unlike conventional diesel trucks where the driver sits on the left, the Tesla Semi places the seat right in the center of the cabin. Why? Because it gives optimal visibility, better weight distribution, and prepares the platform for global markets where traffic flows on both the left and right sides of the road. Tesla has also redesigned the interior to feel more like a tech-forward command center than a commercial vehicle. The 2026 Semi features dual 15-inch touchscreens on either side of the wheel, offering real-time route planning, vehicle diagnostics, autopilot engagement, and even entertainment during rest periods. Gone are the days of cluttered dashboards filled with analog dials and switches. Everything is digital. Everything is smart. The materials inside are also a step above what you'd expect from a work truck. High durability, vegan leather seating, easy-to-clean composite floors, and panoramic visibility that reduces blind spots significantly. Tesla even included climate-controlled storage and a mini-fridge option, turning long hauls into a more comfortable experience. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The exterior is a masterpiece in aerodynamics. Tesla claims the Semi has a drag coefficient of just 0.36, which is lower than a Bugatti Chiron. That's unheard of in the trucking world. This is achieved through its teardrop shape, seamless panels, and recessed wheels that reduce turbulence. And those aerodynamic advantages aren't just for show, they directly translate into extended range and higher efficiency. This is how the Tesla Semi manages up to 500 miles of range per charge, even when hauling 82,000 pounds at highway speeds. And now, for 2026, Tesla has introduced active aero panels, sections of the body that adjust automatically depending on speed, wind direction, and driving conditions. These subtle changes optimize airflow and help reduce battery usage on long hauls. Safety is another standout. Tesla has equipped the Semi with a next-generation autopilot system specifically tuned for heavy-load driving. Think lane centering, automatic braking, adaptive cruise, and obstacle detection, all powered by Tesla's full self-driving FSD computer. There are 10 exterior cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and a LiDAR augmented system. Yes, for the first time on a Tesla vehicle. That adds redundancy for commercial safety standards. The 2026 update also includes platooning support, a feature where multiple Tesla semis can follow one another in a tight formation, reducing drag and improving traffic flow. So, where does all this lead? The 2026 Tesla Semi is more than just an electric truck. It's the foundation of a much bigger plan. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that Tesla is not just a car company, but a technology and energy company. The Semi plays a vital role in both of those missions. Let's start with autonomy. Tesla's full self-driving system is constantly evolving, and Elon has teased that the Semi will be one of the first platforms to fully implement autonomous capabilities. The logic is simple. Highways are more structured, with fewer unpredictable variables than city roads. That makes long-haul trucking the perfect environment for early adoption of true autonomy. Imagine this: a Tesla Semi that leaves a warehouse in California, drives 500 miles with no human input, charges at a megacharger while updating its route, and delivers cargo in Nevada, all on its own. That future is no longer science fiction. Tesla is actively working on it, and some insiders suggest pilot programs could begin by late 2026 or early 2027. This also ties into Tesla's upcoming AI logistics platform, an internal software suite that uses real-time data to match vehicles with loads, predict maintenance needs, and manage an entire fleet autonomously. Musk has hinted this will integrate with existing platforms like Tesla Energy, allowing fleets to optimize routes based on solar production, megapack capacity, and even market demand. And then there's the robo-taxi crossover. During a recent shareholder meeting, Musk was asked whether Tesla would ever allow the Semi to become part of its robo-taxi network. His answer? We don't see why not. If the software's ready and the infrastructure supports it, it's inevitable. Just imagine, automated semis in convoys, delivering goods overnight while cities sleep, monitored from a central AI control room. It's a paradigm shift for the freight industry. And while other automakers are just beginning to explore electric commercial transport, Tesla is miles ahead. Companies like Daimler, Volvo, and Nikola are struggling with range, charging, and scale. Meanwhile, Tesla already has real-world data from major clients like PepsiCo, UPS, and Walmart, and it's scaling production at Giga Texas and Giga Nevada at a breakneck pace. Speaking of production, remember that October 2026 mass production date? Sources within Tesla say the company plans to quadruple output by mid-2027. The goal? Over 50,000 units annually, making it the largest electric truck deployment in history. And it doesn't stop at the US. Tesla is in talks with the European Union for semi-compliance, and left-hand drive versions are already being tested in the UK and Japan. It's not just a US revolution, it's a global takeover. Financially, this could be Tesla's most profitable segment yet. With minimal maintenance, zero fuel costs, and rising carbon penalties for diesel fleets, companies are lining up to switch. Tesla offers flexible leasing, energy credits, and even full-service logistics packages. Some analysts predict the Semi program alone could generate $50 billion in annual revenue by 2030. So what's next? Tesla plans to roll out autonomous fleet hubs, massive stations where semis can charge, get software updates, swap out parts, and continue their journey. These hubs will also double as solar collection points and megapack energy buffers, helping power not just Tesla vehicles, but entire cities. In classic Musk fashion, he summed it up best. We're not just building trucks, we're building the arteries of the future economy. And that's exactly what the 2026 Tesla Semi represents. Power, precision, progress. The next chapter of Tesla's journey is unfolding, and the Semi is leading the charge. So what do you think? Will Tesla's Semi reshape global freight? Are we ready for an autonomous, electrified logistics network? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next big Tesla update. See you in the next video.